Hey, Jane. This is pretty exciting. I'm here with Vanessa. Are you excited to see the room when it's all done?
Yes, I'm very excited.
She's already tearing up. Okay, here you go. Ta-da! Come on inside, Vanessa. Now, earlier today, you look all around. Yes.
That is so cool.
It's pretty exciting.
It is.
What does this mean to you, Vanessa?
Or it's a weight off my chest.
Right.
I can work. I can do things. Oh, goodness.
It's pretty
My
exciting.
girls can see something finally finished.
Yay! It's a wonderful example for your girls. Come over here, Tonia. We're all, like I said, we're just kind of a little sappy over here. Tonia, you did a remarkable job. I want to mention also, you have a remarkable posse of people behind you that made this happen. How were you able to make such a transformation in such a short period of time?
You know, as professional organizers, we're here again for the passion, but sorting by category and really just knowing what the customer wants. In this case, Vanessa wanted a functional space, and for all of us to come in here and do this together and give her this peace of mind when she wakes up in the morning is really why we do this at the end of the day.
Yeah, and now really looking here, we saved in the donate pile. When you were looking through that, Vanessa, talk to me about what emotions, if any, were coming up when you were really evaluating these different items and whether or not you were willing to donate them. Was it easier or harder than you expected?
Easy because it was time to let it go. And I think I was getting so bogged down by these memories that I'm not able to make more memories. Right. So I said, let it go so you can make more.
Yeah, sometimes
I spend way too much time looking at them and looking at them again and saying, no, I don't want to let them go yet. But they're just taking up space. They're taking up time and emotion. And it's sounds kind of crazy, but letting it go means that on the weekend I can just, let's go do something. I don't have to think about, in the back of my mind, I have to get rid of this stuff.
And
I have to do some organizing.
And also in the process, you're making room for special things. Look what's behind us. Now, previously what was behind us, Vanessa, was a lot of stuff. And now you've got your beautiful girls that are there. And it really does kind of make room for those special items in your home. And you have an opportunity to reveal them and showcase them. And then I just want to, give our GMT viewers something to really envy. Check out these drawers. My jewelry currently is in a bunch of plastic baggies. Seeing this is very inspirational, but that's the key thing, is finding a place for everything.
Yes, and I think at the end of the day, she was able to decide what was important to her, what she wanted to keep, because it's a functional space for her to be organized and actually get ready for the day. She has her photography business. I'm in, out the door, and she gets to see these beautiful girls on the way in, on the way out. You start your day in your room, and you end your day in your bedroom. And this is a functional space for you to now just enjoy those memories with your children.
Well, and I know that you had a lot of shame, and I think many of us do. That's why we shut the door to that closet. That's why we shut the door. Right. We just shut the door. How did Tonia make you feel, though, when you contacted her and said, hey, I need help, but it's really hard to admit that?
Well, she was really helpful because I go into these beautiful stores, and there's so many beautiful things all over the place on the walls, and I think, oh, that's great, I like this for that room, but it's overwhelming, and so I end up walking out with nothing. So Tonia told me, okay, we're going to concentrate just on this room, think about the colors that you like. So I walked in, and immediately I found a couple of pieces like, oh, I love these, and so I just kind of drew from that, and I was able to find some things, and I wasn't so overwhelmed. I don't know, it just fell together.
It seems like it's kind of like starting with small spaces. I mean, we had here with the jewelry, we also were kind of able to identify those things that we were willing to kind of get rid of. And what you've done is you've cleared the room of that excess clutter. Where is all of the rest of the stuff?
You know, we've made a home inside the dresser for all of her undergarments and scarves, just extra accessories. Bedside tables have all the things that they need.
Can we open one of these drawers real quick? Let's take a look really quick so y'all can, again, take a look. Okay, we'll open this top one right here. We don't need to show the unmentionables. Right. But wow, I mean, that again, you have it by color and you can walk in.
We did this in an hour. So, obviously we have a little bit of work left to do.
Right.
So, there's going to be some space in here that we're going to have a little bit of homework in the end, but the main functional pieces are finished, and that she can, end the day and not feel stressed out.
All right. Guess what? You can have your home as decluttered as Vanessa's home and have that fantastic feeling. Go to SortedOut.com for more information. Congratulations, Vanessa.